guys, it's Joanie from simplelivingmama.com, and in today's video we are going to get a real life look into my bathroom. If you're following along with our 30-day clean and declutter challenge, then you know that this week we're working on the entryway and the bathrooms, and I am in my master bathroom currently. Honestly, my bathrooms are both pretty minimalistic. That's just the way that I keep them. Even though I don't really like to use the term minimalist because I don't consider myself a minimalist, I don't keep a lot of bathroom stuff. So I am gonna go do a quick cleanup, show you guys how I store and organize things. So right now I do have the Listerine out. I'd like to get a smaller bottle so that it can fit in. Okay, fun fact about this vanity, we have a pretty large master bathroom. Okay, but this vanity is the only one that's in here, and it only has drawers, and that is because I do have that's a nail polish accident that we need to paint over, so that will get done. Eventually it will get repainted, but we just have these 3 drawers, and this is open because the house was originally built for a person who was in a wheelchair, so this makes it wheelchair accessible. But it works fine for my husband and I. We don't really need a lot of storage space in the bathroom. That's the master closet. I'm saving that for another day. We do have a couple of cabinets that we have added, and I will tell you guys about those here in just a little bit, but I'm going to show you how we do things in the drawers. Now, I don't like to keep a lot on the counters. This guy is my wax warmer, and he's dead, so he needs to go and be put up. I just use these acrylic organizers to store things. So I've got some safety pins in here, my contact case, which I can go ahead and put that one in there. So I've got this one and an extra, my lip balms, just some glasses case, bobby pins, deodorant, essential oils, medicine, and that really needs to go back out to the medicine cabinet in the kitchen, but just stuff from my glasses. And then these are some odds and ends that I keep in here just in case I need them, but it's not like overflowing or anything. So that's where I keep that one. This one is where I keep hair products. And then down here, I just got extra contact stuff, teeth stuff, baby powder if we ever use it, and then my facial stuff is down here. So that's it. This side probably needs a little bit more organizing, but my husband keeps his deodorant in here, teeth stuff, and then in this organizer, we've got extra razor blades, some extra razors, shaving stuff, more medicine that probably needs to go out to the medicine cabinet. Okay, extra razors if I didn't already say that, and then nail clippers. So that's what we keep in that drawer. This drawer is kind of a little bit of a mishmash, just some more extra razors. This actually goes to my water flosser. It has the cord in it. And then I keep nail stuff in this basket here. And then, you know, lots of stuff for poison ivy because that is a problem here. And then some stuff that he uses for travel, he keeps in here. And then the bottom drawer, I keep my makeup in this very ancient caboodle case, but it has all my new makeup in it, and then just baking soda and peroxide. So that's it. This cabinet here, my husband actually refinished that, and I'm not sure what is on the wall. That's something I'll have to clean off. This is where I keep my towels, which you will notice, no, there's no towels in here because all of the clean towels are in the laundry room waiting to be moved in here. I will deal with that probably tomorrow, but it's fine. We go through towels pretty quickly. And then down here is where I keep, we got the hair clippers, extra soaps, and then the Method shower refill. The actual spray bottle stays in the shower, so that's where I keep the refill stuff. And then this little table over here beside the bathtub, I have this cute little basket, and this is where we keep like body lotion. So I don't have a whole lot. Lots of Burt's Bees stuff, and then some lotion. So that way when you get out of the bath, you can just simply moisturize while standing over here. And then what I like to do is keep that tucked in down here, and then up here on this, I keep my candle, and a lot of times I will be reading a book, so that will stay there. What I'm going to show you today is over here by the toilet. We put this cabinet in over here. So the drawer is where we keep feminine products, and then in this wicker basket, extra feminine products. I usually have a few rolls of toilet paper shoved in here. I need to go get those out of my laundry room storage. Some antibacterial wipes, and then my Method antibacterial cleaner that needs a refresh. But that's what I use to clean the toilet and wipe off the countertops and stuff. And then I just have my other toilet stuff over here. So yeah guys, that is what I do. That is how I keep our bathroom fairly decluttered, and it makes it a lot easier to clean when there's not stuff everywhere. And yeah, I'm pretty minimalist. It's my laptop, and then that is a screw thing, drill thing for my husband that I need to go and put up. I'll put this stuff down here. Lots of contact stuff in there. And that's it. If you guys haven't joined the decluttering challenge, I will go ahead and post a link to that if you'd like to join in with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I will talk to you guys in the next video. Have a great day.